Hi everyone and welcome to Coffee with Nadia. Today I'm bringing a double Louis Vuitton unboxing. One is a little bracelet for me. The other one is a wallet for my husband that we got at Las Vegas. We went to the biggest Louis Vuitton store in the United States, which is located in Vegas, and I had a lot of fun. My husband had found something that he's been looking for a few years, so we're very excited about that. If you want to see what I got, please stay tuned. All right, let's get started. First, I want to send out a shout out to all the awesome essays and all the Louis Vuittons I went to at Las Vegas. They were absolutely, every single one of them were awesome, and I went to 3 of them. One in the Bellagio, one that was 3-story, one, and the other one was at the Venetian, by Venetian over there, that mall. Melissa, one of the client advisors at the 3-story Louis Vuitton, the biggest one in the United States, that is, gave me something I can give you guys. She gave me a little card. Here's the envelope. On the back is the Louis Vuitton address. And here is the card. And on the inside, look at this. Look how gorgeous it is. It's the trunks with the roses on the inside. If you think this is a good giveaway, please let me know down below and I will do it for you. With that being said, I didn't really tape at Las Vegas. It was family time. I was with my husband and my dog was in the stroller, and I went around the whole Vegas with him. I will, put in pictures. It was such an awesome time. It was such a great family time that I was more focused on them than getting my camera and taping everywhere I went. So I really wasn't, because I really didn't think we were gonna buy anything. This was kind of a surprise. Let's get started with my husband's gift. My husband has been looking for a Louis Vuitton wallet for about 3 years, but he didn't get one because every time we went to the Louis Vuittons in Chicago, they didn't have the one where you could see you put your driver's license in and it's the clear little, and I didn't even think they made them anymore because I just didn't see them anywhere. So we go to Vegas and this awesome essay brings out 3 of them. Not 1, not 2, 3 of them. So he was just like a kid at a candy store. He's like, wow, let me see. And so this is what he got. And before I even show you that, so Louis had to drink some water, and then Say brought me some water, and and she goes, well, here's a napkin to put, because I got Louis' dish out. So she brought in napkins, and at first I was like, I've seen napkins, I didn't even think about it, and it looks just like a simple little napkin. But what it actually is, I don't know if you're able to tell, it is a cotton, like it's real, like handkerchief. It's, I know it sounds like I'm excited about something goofy like that, but in all these years I didn't notice that they were real handkerchiefs, because she kind of like, and I've been given snacks and stuff at at Louis Vuitton event. I just didn't even notice, but I thought that was kind of cool to share with you guys. Anyway, let's get started with this little guy. Okay. So we also had it hot stamped. I love hot stamping. I will attach at the bottom and at the end of the video my hot stamping video. I don't know why I can't speak right now, but here it is. Here's the little dust bag that it came in. Here you go, and it is a Damier Noir. I'm not sure what this print is called because I've never gotten anything in men's, but it's a Damier. So it's black and gray, and it has on here the Louis Vuitton logo. Let me get the light down a little bit so you could see where it says Louis Vuitton right there. And inside, my husband had it, his initial stamped right there, and we got it in silver because on the black, just the silver looked better than the gold in this particular canvas. So here we go, Louis Vuitton. Here's the hot stamp. They say it usually takes 4 hours at their location to get it, and we got it the first day we were there, so we just came back the next day. Because it's just when you start on the strip and start going, it's nonstop. So here is that pocket that my husband was just so excited about. And as you could see, it's clear and he can put his driver's license in there. Then there is, of course, the money pocket, and on here it has 1, 2, 3, 4 slots on this side. What do we have here? So if anyone is interested, here is the item information. There you go. And of course, he got the coated fabric, cowhide leather lining, made in USA of imported materials. And here is that. Okay. Let's get the light up. Okay, so that is his. It's actually my husband's first Louis Vuitton. He's very excited about it. So Louis Vuitton name here and right there. And this is gonna last him and last him and last him, because my first Louis Vuitton item was the Sarah wallet, and I got it about 5 years ago. It's still in fabulous condition. I might have to have like this lining part redone in mine eventually, but other than that, 5 years, it has definitely impressed me by the quality of Louis Vuitton pieces. So that was Sergi's, and I did want him to be in the video with me. I tried. Opposites attract, they say, so he is not one to be in front of the camera and be like, oh, all Nadia like. Here is a receipt for my little item. It has the Louis Vuitton and the address. Okay. And it's the 3720 Las Vegas Boulevard. So that's the location we got it at. And it's like so huge and so beautiful. I was just like down the elevator, down the stairs, down the escalator. I was just everywhere in that store. Here is my little one. Here we go. And I absolutely love mine. Actually, you know what? I'm not even sure what it's called. It is the, I don't know if it'll say on here. Oh, it is the Keep It. Okay. So what I got, here we go. I got the beautiful dusted bag. Ooh, I got the zippy one. Or not the zippy, but the tie one. Usually. Usually I get the other ones. This is the first time I think in my bracelets that I got this one. But here it is. It is the double Keep It, I believe, bracelet. I will obviously put it somewhere on here. But here it is. It was so comfortable, you guys. I was so shocked. Gold hardware. Here is the little, I don't know why it looks dark, but here is the little right here, bam. So these are gonna really, let me see if this will help. Keep it locked. And just lock it back back up just like that. And to open it, there you go. Maybe I get I keep on playing with the lights. So on one side it has, let me get closer to you guys. It has the LV on it on one side, and on the other it has it's BC0198. So it was made September 2018 in Spain. I hope you guys can see. If not, I'm sorry. So my little lock still has the plastic on it. Let me take that off. So there's no scratches. And she did say that they just got it in, so that totally makes sense. So we have 1, 2, 3 of these adjoining metal hardware on there. And on here is just a metal piece with 2 tightening bolts right there. Okay, let's get it back up. And I do love this bracelet. The reason I got it, and I have another one that is in the monogram print, but because, let me see if I can put it on myself. But because it was so comfortable, I can definitely double it with my other bracelet. So here it is on my hand, the closure. And it's the reason you don't feel it. It's like it's not there. It's absolutely just doesn't get in your way. I believe mine was in a medium, and I don't wear the small one. I usually wear the larger size, but I don't see a size on here anywhere. But I was told this was the medium size. So there it is. It is so awesome. Well, alrighty, that is it for this video. I will post this video. Attach some pictures. You guys can take a look from our Vegas trip. And once again, if you are interested for me to give away one of these cards, which is beautiful. It's just a cute little momentum. So if you want me to do the giveaway, please let me know. Otherwise, I don't know if it's worth doing that. But if you guys want it, you got it. All right. Well, that is it for me. You guys have a lovely day. Bye.